You should really know some of the five hottest design trends right now that are doing fantastically well in 2025 and will continue to do well in 2026. In fact, so many Etsy sellers are putting money on the table because they're not actually designing using these five design trends, which I'm going to actually reveal. And in fact, there's a lot of sellers that don't design these properly. So I'm going to show you how to create these properly using AI really quickly. But before I get into this, guys, my name's AJ. I do all things digital products, selling on Etsy, AI, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos of tutorials dedicated just for you. So if you're interested in any of that, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Let's get into this. Okay, so I've just typed in patchwork PNG and you can see all of these fantastic patchwork designs, all sorts, from your teddies to your snowmen to your houses, and all of these are in this patchwork style pieces of fabric that are put together through patchwork, and which is the style that it's in, right? Really big, really popular for 2025, massive for Halloween, really big for Christmas, and in fact it's going to also be huge in 2026 across many different times of the year, whether it be Valentine's, whether Easter comes up. It will continue, guys. Okay, so definitely something to list up for and to design for. And like I said, this is great for digital products. I mean, for your AI designs, clip arts, but to be honest, also for those people that are selling those print on demand, those sweatshirts, those tops, those t-shirts, whatever it may be. Okay, so it's really for all you guys, whether you're print on demand or digital sellers. Here's a typical example of a patchwork Christmas tree. You can see here, it's a bestseller, boom. And remember, guys, I'm going to show you also how to create these really quickly using my go-to design platform called Kittl, really quickly. So do stay right to the end. Anyway, this is the patchwork one. And if you look at this one, this is a 2-month-old listing making around $450, right? Really nice. For certain elements like Christmas trees, patchwork works really well. Okay, the second one on my list is the Coquette style. Now listen, there are so many different other styles apart from the five that I'm going to show you that I know about. So I'm going to show you the five right now. I'll show you another five next time. Obviously I'm not going to show you those, the ones that have been around for a very long time, like the watercolor style. I'm going to leave that out. I'm really going to go with the more recent ones. So this one, the Coquette, has been around, but it's going to be continuing for sure. Coquette is massive, absolutely massive, especially when you combine it with those other things, whether it be with animals, whether it be for Christmas, for Valentine's Day. The Coquette bow tie is absolutely massive and it's going nowhere, right? It's actually going to grow. So you got these floral pink ones. There is so many different combinations to do with these Coquette bow ties. It's really a strong design style. Now here's a really cool example. It's a bestseller bomb. It's a really nice one. I really like it. It captures the essence of the Coquette bow tie. It's a 14-month-old listing making $575 a month, but it is combining with the Christian element, right? So it has that focus on, Christianity. I believe, does it have a Bible verse? No, not on this one, but it does have the kind of nativity. It has baby Jesus in the sort of design, part of the design. This nice, cool, soft pink design. Really nice, guys. I like this a lot. So it's about combining the Coquette with different times of the year, with different elements. That is where you maximize on this. And guys, don't forget, tell me what design style you like. Right, I'll be really interested. Put it in the comments below. But yeah, this is the Coquette bow tie, the second one. Okay, let's jump on to the third style. Okay, the third one that I'm going to be talking about very quickly. And remember, I'll probably do another 5 other design styles at another point. But this is for this video. I just want to touch on 5 ones that I just feel like are doing quite well. So this one is called the Whimsical design style. Okay, so I've just typed in Whimsical and you can see all of these different sellers doing, creating these whimsical styles. It's kind of, they're kind of interesting styles. It's almost, they're like a bit quirky, a little bit funny styles. You can tell what they are. We've got this kind of very kind of dark lined edge, but almost like wispy on the edges, right? Quite wispy on the edges, almost caricature style, right? Really nice. I really do like it actually, but it is a very popular design style that is working really well. Fantastic for Christmas, absolutely amazing for Christmas. It really has taken off massively for Christmas, but there will be other ones that will be approaching, and I know this is going to work in 2026 for sure. I can already see some Easter bunnies appearing already, so this will definitely definitely continue this whimsical style. Okay, let me just show you a quick example. Okay, so here's an example of a really cool snowman whimsical style that's making, let's have a look, approximately bestseller bomb, $896 per month. And it's a 1 month old listing, which is pretty good, right? Okay, let's jump on to the next one. Okay, so here's the next one. It's called the stained glass style, and exactly as I say it, it's got the stained glass style look. Does fantastically well during Christmas in terms of that kind of Christian designs, nativity. They do particularly well during Christmas, but also with the things like snowmen and things like that, they also do well. You got the Christmas trees, so it is a big design style. They do particularly well as bundles, big bundles, but people do like them, right? People do like them a lot, and it's a nice style. It's an interesting style. It's been around for a bit, but it will definitely continue for sure in 2026, right? Let me show you an example. So here's a typical example of something that works quite well. It's a 50 bundle PNG. Just let me see the price. Yep, making $369 per month. Right, bundle of 50 of these kind of nativity, Christian, Christmas style stained glass designs. Okay, right, let's jump on to the fifth style. Okay, so the fifth style is called yarn PNG or the latch hook yarn PNG, and it's these styles, right, where you can see the design almost like that it's been created, right? As in like through fabric, you know, someone's actually knitted it together, if you like. You can see this really cool bear design with a Christmas tree. They look quite realistic, although they are digital downloads, right? That's the power of how good the designing AI design has become, right? So you can see this really cool letter and this knitted yarn style or this other reindeer. So this is growing quite a lot now, really. It's expanding into many different areas and many different styles, but it is becoming a big design trend. Okay, so it's definitely something that will continue, definitely something to be listing up for. Let me show you a specific example. The bestseller bomb, it's a reindeer design style digital download in this latch hook yarn style, making approximately $703. Only a 2-month-old listing, right? So it definitely shows you there's a lot of potential with this design style and people do like it a lot. But yeah, those are my 5. Let me just quickly do a few designs for you. Now, what I do generally is I do create my prompts on ChatGPT, and I do use a design platform called Kittl to actually create the designs, which I'm going to show you. You can actually try out Kittl. I've got 25% off all plans. The link is in my description, so you can actually see. But let me just show you the kind of quality that you can produce with some of these design styles. So check this out. Okay, so I'm on Kittl right now. Now it's very simple. Once I've created my artboard, which is really quick, I've got a whole playlist of using Kittl, so you can definitely go and check it out as well. At the bottom here, you can add in your prompt, right? So I'm going to just paste in the prompt, which I created in ChatGPT, just so you know. Paste it in there, and you can see that it's quite a big, long prompt, right? Very, very detailed. I wanted to have a Christmas tree patchwork style because at the moment they're doing very, very well, especially the Christmas tree one. And yeah, so it's very, very detailed with lots of words to do with the pieces of fabric, should I say, with different colors and so on, right? You can pause the video and check it out, and if you want to create your own. But I'm going to use Nano Banana, which is a really cool design AI model. There's lots of AI models which you can use with Kittl, you know, from Ideogram to Flux to Seedream, DALL-E, and all of that. It's really good. But I like Nano Banana because it does produce some really good quality designs. Now I'm going to click generate. Does it in about 20 seconds, which is pretty cool. So remember, this is the patchwork style that I'm doing very quickly. Let's see what it produces. That's quite nice, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Just get rid of that background. I don't want to remove it so you can just see it. Okay, there you go. Really cool patchwork style. Something that I could envisage would sell really well on Etsy. Okay, so let me delete this one. And let me now create a different prompt, right? This one, paste in, because I've already created these in ChatGPT. I want to paste in the yarn style, and again I identified that reindeers are actually doing quite well. In terms of Santa and reindeers are the ones that are doing really well. So I've just done a quick prompt, right, to do with it. You can see it here. You can use it if you want. I don't really mind, but they're doing very well. I'm going to use Nano Banana again. 20 seconds to produce, generate that. Let's see how it looks. Obviously I want it to look realistic. I want that sort of thick yarn. People really like it. So let's see how that looks. Oh, that's quite nice. Let's have a look. I really like how thick that yarn is. Definitely reindeer style. I probably want to generate again just to see if I can get a different look, but you know, it looks super realistic. Let me just get rid of that for a second. I just want to show you how the power of, you know, this. I'm going to generate again. It always produces something slightly different, which is really amazing. And again, you know, you can list up different designs on Etsy, which is really good. That's better. That's way better. Can you see the difference? Really cool, really cute, actually. Beautiful design. So that's my yarn. Okay, so now I'm going to do the Coquette. Now, again, I've seen that the Christian faith with the Coquette works really well. I mean, many times a day it work really well, but that one is pretty cool. So I've done a very quick prompt with that one. Let's see what it produces. Again, it should have, hopefully, you know, that Christian theme with the Coquette. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Not really exactly what I wanted. I think I probably need to be a bit more specific in terms of the images that I wanted inside. So I probably put things like adding Jesus or nativity. Some of the imagery isn't really exactly what I wanted. The general sort of concept is quite nice, but I think some of the images are not quite related to what I wanted. So that one definitely needs some work, and I'll probably go back to the prompt and work on that. But it just gives you an idea, right, of how it works. Okay, so I'm going to do the stained glass style very quickly. Again, I've noticed that, yes, Christian nativity ones work well, but also the snowman stained glass does very well, especially obviously for Christmas. So I created a Christmas prompt with the help of ChatGPT, and I'm just going to show you how that looks, right? Let's see. 20 seconds, really quick. Let's see if it does it in the stained glass style. Actually, that is pretty good. That works quite well. Just get rid of that background, remove that. But yeah, that is fantastic, guys. So that is my stained glass snowman style. Really cool, really easy to do. So guys, remember, do try out Kittl. The link is below. You get 25% off using my code. The code will be there below as well to help you. And yeah, if you did like the video, remember, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And remember, tell me what design style you prefer, what you like. What's your favorite? Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.